Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Patrick. How are you today?
Hi, Caroline. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking about my volunteer work at the community center and wanted to share my experience with you. Have you done any volunteering lately?
Yes, I have. I volunteer at the local soup kitchen every Saturday, and sometimes I help out at a charity event in the park. It feels very rewarding to help others in our community.
That sounds wonderful. I volunteer at a community garden where we grow vegetables for local shelters. I enjoy working with the plants and meeting new people. It is a very peaceful and satisfying activity.
I can imagine. When I volunteer at the soup kitchen, I see many people who really need help. It makes me feel humble and reminds me how lucky I am.
Absolutely. Volunteering teaches us many lessons. For me, working in the community garden has shown me the value of patience and teamwork. Every plant needs care, just like people need support.
I agree, Caroline. I learned that helping others is not only about giving food or support, but also about listening and being kind. Sometimes I spend a few extra minutes talking with the people who come for a meal, and it makes them feel valued.
That is so true. I love it when we take the time to talk to the visitors at the garden. They often share their stories, and I feel like I learn so much from them. It makes me realize that every person has a unique experience.
Yes, and those conversations help build a strong community spirit. I remember one time at the soup kitchen, a young man thanked me for listening to his problems. His gratitude made me feel that even a small act can make a big difference.
I remember a similar experience. Last month, I helped an elderly lady at the garden. She told me how she used to work in a big garden many years ago, and volunteering reminded her of those happy times. Her smile made my day.
It is amazing how volunteering connects people. It gives us the chance to share our time and learn from one another. I often feel inspired by the kindness of others during these activities.
I agree. Volunteering also gives me a new perspective on my own life. When I see the challenges others face, I become more grateful and motivated to work hard in my own life.
That is very important. I used to feel frustrated with my own problems, but volunteering taught me to be more understanding and patient. Helping others makes my worries seem smaller.
Exactly, Patrick. Every time I volunteer, I learn something new about myself. I have learned to listen more carefully and to appreciate the little things. It has helped me grow as a person.
I feel the same way. I learned to organize my time better so that I can volunteer without affecting my work. I also learned that even 1 hour of volunteering can brighten someone's day.
Speaking of time, I now try to set aside a couple of hours every week for volunteering. It has become an important part of my routine. Do you have a regular schedule?
Yes, I volunteer every Saturday morning from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at the soup kitchen. I find that it fits well with my weekend plans. I always feel refreshed after helping out.
That is wonderful. I plan my volunteer work on Sundays. I find that working in the community garden helps me relax after a busy week. It is a gentle way to start the day.
It sounds like we both have found a way to give back that works for us. I also sometimes help organize charity events. Recently, I assisted in a food drive where we collected donations for a local shelter.
I heard about that event. It seems like a big success. Organizing events must be challenging, but I believe that planning and teamwork are key.
Absolutely. Working with a team makes everything easier. We discuss our ideas, divide tasks, and then work together to achieve our goals. Even if things do not go perfectly, we learn and improve next time.
Yes, every challenge teaches us a lesson. I remember when we had problems with the delivery of some supplies at the garden event. We were all frustrated at first, but then we discussed the issue calmly and found a solution together.
I also learned that listening to everyone's opinion is very important. When we all share our ideas, we can solve problems faster. I believe that communication is the key to overcoming any obstacle.
I agree, Patrick. It is important to be patient and understand that mistakes happen. What matters is that we learn from them and continue to work together.
Exactly. I sometimes ask myself, what can I do better next time? That question helps me improve.
That is a great habit. I do the same. I write down what went well and what I can improve on after every event. It helps me plan for the future and be more effective in my volunteer work.
I think that is very wise. Volunteering is not just about giving time. It is also about learning and growing. It makes us stronger and more connected to our community.
Yes, and it also gives us a sense of purpose. When I volunteer, I feel like I am making a real difference. It is not just about the work, it is about the people and the stories behind each donation, each meal, and each shared smile.
I feel that very strongly, Caroline. Every volunteer experience leaves me with a warm feeling inside. Even if I face challenges, I know that my efforts are important.
I think that is one of the most rewarding parts of volunteering. It teaches us that even small actions can have a big impact.
I agree. Volunteering has changed my life. I am more empathetic, more organized, and I feel more connected to the people around me.
That is wonderful to hear, Patrick. I feel the same way. It has made me appreciate my own life and the importance of helping others.
Do you plan to continue volunteering in the future, Caroline?
Yes, I do. I want to keep helping at the community garden and also look for other opportunities. like teaching children about gardening and nutrition. I believe that sharing knowledge is very valuable.
That sounds like a great plan. I also plan to continue my work at the soup kitchen and perhaps join more community projects. There are many needs in our community, and I want to be part of the solution.
I am happy to hear that. I think if more people volunteer, our community will become a better place for everyone.
I believe so too. When we volunteer, we create a positive cycle. We help others, we learn and grow, and then we can help even more.
Thank you for sharing your experiences and ideas, Patrick. Our conversation has inspired me to work harder and look for new ways to contribute.
Thank you, Caroline. I enjoyed our chat very much. It reminds me of why I volunteer and how much it means to me.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan to volunteer together at an upcoming event. I would love to join forces and make a bigger impact.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I will let you know about the next charity event at the food drive. We can work together on it.
Great. I look forward to it. Volunteering with friends makes it even more enjoyable and meaningful.
Absolutely. I feel that by working together, we not only help our community, but also build strong relationships and learn valuable life lessons.
Well said, Patrick. I hope our conversation today inspires others to try volunteering and to see it as a way to grow and help.
I agree, Caroline. Every act of kindness counts, and every volunteer makes a difference.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Patrick. I feel encouraged and ready to continue my volunteer work with a new perspective.
Thank you, Caroline. I appreciate your honesty and support. I look forward to our next volunteer project and more discussions like this.
Me too. Have a great day and keep spreading kindness in our community.
You too, Caroline. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Patrick.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.